with the unboxing of Sugar Box. So this July edition is called as Rainy edition and I'm very excited to open it. So let's unbox the Sugar Box. So let's open this box, and so here is the Rainy Affair edition note which says, with the rain comes the romance. Rummage in here and find just everything you need to make it steamy affair. Your sugar advisor. Now let us check all items one by one. So the first one is this cream color clutch. It's a normal clutch. It is not a party or a function style clutch but can be used on a regular basis. Second one is this makeup pouch. The pouch for me is of optimum size and travel friendly. I really like the color of it. Third one are these cute pom-pom earrings. Fourth and fifth items are this herbal tea and charcoal face mask. I'll really try them out and provide you the review. Sixth item was my favorite item, the off-shoulder dress. I really like the color of it and the pattern as well. Seventh one is this umbrella, and it was kind of expected in this edition as a rainy edition. And as a design, it has flamingos all over the umbrella. I really liked it. That's all for today, guys. Hope you liked the video. Do like, share and subscribe.